What's your favorite?
Chicken.
It's fish. Yeah.
This is fish.
Yeah, you do fish. And how's that cauliflower and broccoli?
It is nice.
Good. And the other?
It is nice.
Good. And the creamy, cheesy, delicious sauce?
Yeah.
Good, eh? What is that?
Apple.
Oh, is that apple?
Don't need more apple.
I have a weird question.
Yeah.
Will the sun come back tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to ask me a question?
Will the nonny come?
Say that again?
Will the nonny come?
Will the nonny come?
Yeah.
When? Tomorrow?
Yeah.
I don't know. She's busy in the morning. She wanted you to go with, but I'm going to do something else tomorrow.
Yum, 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 yum.
Hey, hey!
Hmm?
Don't put your knife on your tongue, Mallel.
Is this spiky?
Yeah.
Um.